Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a few tips on how to achieve that DIY all natural, affordable, glowy, soft and clean skin. So let's not hesitate, let's jump right into the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Massage, itching agent too. They can bleach your skin, but it's all natural, so no harm. The skin actually loves it. You can use it. It gently exfoliates the skin. You gotta keep doing it like twice a week, and I challenge you guys to do the same thing. And so let me do my steam. I'll be back in a few. Shouldn't be more than $3. We have the lemons here. We have my favorite aloe. These three work together like a you can put it on and walk around, take care of your house chores. And when you feel like you've applied enough, just go ahead and relax for 15 minutes. Okay? So let me go relax for 15 minutes. I'll see you after. Turmeric powder. We have our goat milk. I mean, if you cannot get goat milk, then milk. And we have our miracle cucumber. A nice young cucumber, and you just grate some of it and add it to your turmeric. If you don't get immediate results, which I know you will get, because by the time you wake up in the morning you will see a difference. People may tell you that your skin looks glowy and it looks clean, or it feels squeaky clean. I can't wait for tomorrow to see my how glowing I will look. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Bye.